Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add multiple photos on one Instagram story. Firstly, get up into your story section on your profile, then go for camera, take a picture of it, then you can just go for draw section. You can select a good background color in which you can add here all these multiple photos. Go on the sticker site on the second selection, scroll down. Now as you can see, you have that button for gallery. Select photos in which you're gonna get up included into this section. I will go for this photo, then I will get back, I will go again, I will select also this, I will do it again, this, and that's it guys. Now you know how to add multiple photos on one Instagram story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. Have a nice day and see you soon.